Welcome to the School of Tourism in Killybegs. The School of Tourism is one of our schools in Letterkenny Institute of Technology. Today we're here to give you an overview of our campus and our campus facilities in the School of Tourism, but we're also going to give you some programme detail in relation to our programme in Culinary Arts and also our programme in Hospitality and Tourism. This is a niche and specialist programme area, and in terms of yourself, the opportunities are endless in terms of worldwide careers and opportunities to travel. So let's take a look inside the School of Tourism in Killybegs. So welcome to the reception area in the School of Tourism. If you're in the School of Tourism and you're a student studying here, you can access all of the support services that you need because our campuses in Letterkenny and Killybegs provide a wealth of student support services, from our access office to our support services from our health and well-being side of things. So our reception is based here at the front of the Killybegs campus. Welcome to the canteen in the School of Tourism. The facilities here are exceptional, but that's what you'd expect when you're coming to a campus that offers culinary arts and hospitality and tourism. So here's your canteen facilities. It's open to all students, whether you're coming here on a part-time, full-time, or you're looking to come to us on a kind of drop-in basis from the general public. Welcome to the all-weather pitch here in the School of Tourism campus. So whether you're looking for a bit of basketball or you're thinking about a bit of AstroTurf, the facilities here in terms of sport are here to provide you with that little bit of extracurricular activities that you need while balancing that busy academic programme as well as then that sport and life. Welcome to the gym in the School of Tourism. What's really fantastic about Letterkenny IT is that if you're in our Letterkenny or in our Killybegs campuses, you're surrounded by fantastic facilities that you have full and free access to. So this is our gym located in our Killybegs campus, and remember, you can use both facilities while you're studying at LYIT in our Letterkenny and in our Killybegs campuses. Welcome to the demonstration kitchen in the School of Tourism. You can see here with the mixture of practical, but then also we have the mixture of academic. This is a lecture room at LYIT School of Tourism. We bring together the kitchen element so we can teach you, as well as then the learning element. So it's really hands-on and fantastic facilities here in the School of Tourism. Welcome to the bakery kitchen in the School of Tourism. Remember, if you're choosing culinary arts, you can specialise in bakery and pastry here in the School of Tourism. So these facilities are exceptional here within the School of Tourism, within the industry of culinary arts, chefing, baking and pastry, and then general culinary arts. Welcome to the training bar here in the School of Tourism. The training bar is one of our latest new additions to the campus facilities here in the School of Tourism. So maybe you're interested in mixology, or you're interested in how bars run and bar supervision and bar management. You'll learn that all here within the training bar in the School of Tourism at Killybegs. So welcome to the bedroom and our accommodation lecture theatre room. Again, like our demonstration kitchens, we're offering you a mixture of that practical and then also the theoretical side of things here in the School of Tourism. Our facilities are getting you ready for the world of work, and we're bringing together practical and lecture theatre room environments here in our School of Tourism. Welcome to the Millenium Restaurant. This facility is open to students, but it's also open to the general public 2 days per week. So in terms of the students would run this from service right the way through to the kitchens here in the School of Tourism. The facilities across the campus in the School of Tourism are exceptional. Welcome to the production kitchen in the School of Tourism. Today we have our second year students in here, and they're focusing today on Irish contemporary cuisine. If you're interested in the space of culinary arts, remember you'll spend a lot of time in the production kitchen at LYIT School of Tourism. So welcome to Café Porto in the School of Tourism. Today our students are going to take you through some of the fantastic things that we offer here in Café Porto, because a lot of the time this is open to the general public. So you can get your coffee, your mocktail or your cocktail here in Café Porto. Welcome to the Pastry Kitchen in LYIT School of Tourism. Again, a very niche and specialist area that we cover here within our Culinary Arts programme at LYIT School of Tourism. Welcome to the Collaborative Learning Centre here in the School of Tourism in Killybegs. The facilities are exceptional. We've just gone through a major revamp in terms of our facilities in the School of Tourism campus. If you're thinking about doing group work, project work, or for instance you decide to go on to postgraduate or further master studies, then you'd spend a lot of time in the Collaborative Learning Centre here in the School of Tourism. Welcome to the library in the School of Tourism. You have a wealth of resources here available at the touch of your hands here in the School of Tourism campus. Our library facilities are open during your day for your programme and for your support. And again, also then, we have computer facilities available within our library so that students can use that kind of balance of Google research in terms of your library resources, and then also the library books facility to hand. Welcome to our study room and our meeting room in the Killybegs campus. Again, one of the major and latest refurbishment additions to the School of Tourism campus. So whether you're a student or maybe you're somebody from industry that's looking to use these facilities, do connect with our School of Tourism staff to book your place here.